So I took my time today to explore Meta AI app that I just discovered. For a very long time, I've been generating my image with Meta AI through WhatsApp, but recently I discovered they actually have an app, and I want us to explore this app together because deep, I took a deep tour around the app today. And these are the things I discovered, and these are the things I want you to note about Meta AI. So this is the home page. When you open the app, you can download the app on Play Store. It works on my Android phone very well. So when you download the app, this is the home page. So I've actually been using it for some time now, for weeks. So you click on this third icon to access your past work. You can see this was done Sunday. When you click, it's going to you can actually scroll very far to retrieve the work you've been doing. You can see this is August 28th, this is 27th August, August 26th. So you just click on the one you want. But I want us to explore, use my previous work to, okay, no, let's use one of the jobs I did in August to explore. So this is it. This is for August 27th. So I don't know if you can see clearly, but this is the prompt. The prompt says, imagine Paul, 65 years, effortlessly climbing the stairs in his beautiful home. So this was it. And one thing I want you to know about Meta AI is that you can it's for each prompt you put in, it generates four different images for you, which you can choose from. Then another good thing with it is, if out of the four images generated, you can't get a good one that suits the visual you're trying to represent, all you need to do is click on this first icon. You can see there's a first icon here that shows something like a reload. It's like a cycle with arrow at the edge. So you just click on it, and then it's going to regenerate the image. So unlike when you're using Meta AI in WhatsApp, if you want a regeneration, all you need to do is type in regenerate or something. Sometimes it doesn't even work properly, except you copy and paste your prompt. But with Meta AI app, you just need to click on it, and you can actually regenerate as many times as possible. Then another good thing is, you can see this project I'm exploring was actually this prompt was actually entered August 27th. I'm recording this video today, September 1st, 2025. And you can see I could go back to my work. If it were Meta AI in WhatsApp, there is no way you can achieve that. I don't know for every other AIs that generate images, but for what Meta AI in WhatsApp, you can't do that. You can't go back to your previous work. In fact, if it generates an image for you and it's like an hour ago, you cannot just go there and type animate. It will ask you what, it will be confused. It won't actually understand what you're talking about. So with this, you can always go back to your work and regenerate. Look at it. It just regenerates four different images for me from my August 27th prompt. And then another good thing with it is you can animate directly. Not just one, not two, not three of the images. You can animate four of them at the same time and then choose the one that suits your project. So if you want to animate, you can see if you want to animate, there's a second icon there that shows is a play icon, like a triangle that is actually a triangle. It has three sides. That sign of play in a cycle. So all you need to do is click on it, and you can see it's loading, and it's going to animate your images for you, meaning it's going to make your images move. For example, I said the senior was actually stepping down the staircase. So now let's see the animation. So you can see the senior is actually stepping down, and the entire four images were animated. Look at it. This is the first video, and I have four of it that way. So all I need to do is just choose the one that suits me. There's a second one, and up to the fourth one is just for me to choose whichever one suits my story or my project. Another good thing is if I still don't like this, I can still go ahead and regenerate. Unlike Meta AI in WhatsApp, where have to keep typing regenerate or copying and pasting my prompt. So for each one, it gives me four of each one. So as you can see, I clicked on the regenerate icon again, and it's regenerating again. So you can keep clicking on it till you get what you want. So it's that easy, and you can even make reference to your old projects. So you can see for me, this app version has a lot of advantages over the WhatsApp version. The fact that it gives you four images at a time, animates the four at the same time. You can make your choice from four. You have four options to choose from, unlike the WhatsApp where you have to choose just one. All you need to do when you've decided on which one you want is just to click on it, and then at the bottom you are going to see save. Then you save it. That's all you need to do. It's very easy considering the fact that it gives you four options for every prompt you key in. Thanks for sticking with me to this moment, and I hope you subscribe so you don't miss my next video because it's going to get more and more interesting. See you in the next one.